Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. This is Muhammad Kamal Hussain, lecturer, Department of Mathematics, Scholars School and College, Dhanmondi, Dhaka. My dear students, good evening to all. And today I am going to discuss your higher mathematics class, and just after your first MCQ test. So dear students, please let me know, board diagram, light, sound quality, is everything okay? Can we start our class formally? In the comment section you can give your attendance, and also you can invite your friends to connect with us. Inshallah, within a short time we are going to start our class. Today we are going to discuss here the circle and the basic concept about the circle and the formula related with the circle. So dear students, let me know, is it okay or not? Circle, we all know this one is the circle, and if we place the center here. So now from the coordinate relation, coordinate geometry, we can make the relation in between radius and center and circumference of any point of the circle. So if we consider here this circle whose center is the origin of x, y, like if we draw a y-axis, this one, and this one is x-axis, and write down here. So this x-axis, the right side is positive x, and the left side is x prime, and this upper one is y, and this one is y prime. The two axes intersect each other at the origin where this one is 0, 0 point. And at the circumference of the circle, and consider any point here, this is the P, and P is x, y, any point in the circumference of the circle. Now draw center and any point on the circumference of the circle, we will get here radius. So if we consider here the radius OP equal A, then what will be relation in between center, radius and point circumference on the circle? From the coordinate geometry, we can write here A equal OP. We can write here A equal radius A equal OP. And from coordinate geometry we know the distance of 2 points. The O is 0, 0 and P is x, y. So their distance will be x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. Now that is the O equals to OP, that is the radius A equal OP, and the distance O to P from the coordinate geometry we can write here. And now finally, if we do calculation here, this is A, and here we will get root of what? X square plus y square. So squaring on the both sides, we can write here x square plus y square equal a square. So this is the equation of circle whose center is at origin and radius A. So this is the general form. This is the equation of circle whose center is 0, 0 and radius is A. So this is the general form of the equation whose center is at the origin and radius is A. So if any circle whose center is 0, 0 and radius is 5, so you can write it like x square plus y square equal 5 square. This means as center of the equation is 0, 0 and radius is 5. So dear students, I think we all know this form, but when the center is at outside of the origin. It may be here or any other except 0, 0. So what will be the relation of the circle? So my dear students, this is very easy formula of the circle whose center is at 0 and radius a. So please let me know if you have any question here. We are going to start here next step. Dear students, please let me know if you have any more question here. Just we have done here the first step, the equation of a circle whose center is at O and radius is A. I think you have no question. Okay, thank you. Now we will discuss here the next step, the circle whose center is outside the origin. I think if we draw a circle here, if we draw a circle here and this is x-axis and there is x prime, this is y and y prime, and the center here we can write the center C and the point is H and K. In the previous content we have done the center is at origin, but now in the circle the center is outside the origin. It may be here or maybe here or maybe in the fourth quadrant or third quadrant, but center is not in the origin, and the taking any point at the circumference of the circle which is x and y. And now find the radius in between them. Like radius is CP. The radius is CP. So if we think here radius equal A, radius equals to A, now what will be new relation? From the coordinate geometry, we can write here Okay, sorry, the phone is sorry. Okay, this is the CP. Now, the point CP, like the length CP will be, CP is equal A equals CP, and this one is now, from the coordinate geometry we can write here x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square. So finally you can write here x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal a square. Squaring on the both side you will get here. So this is the relation of a equation of a circle whose center is at h and k and radius is a. So this is another form. This is the equation of circle whose center is at h and k and radius is a. So dear students, this is the another form. তাহলে আমরা এর আগে বলে আসছি যদি সেন্টারের মধ্যে ইকুয়েশন হয়, if the center is at origin, then the equation of the circle will be x square plus y square equal a square. That means radius square. Here the center of the circle is at origin, but when the center is not origin, that is outside the origin, then the equation will be xx minus abscissa whole square minus y minus the value of ordinate square equal radius square. Like if we think here, this is the equation of a circle whose center is at like this one. This is 2 and 5 is centered C, and the radius is 6. So now what will be equation of the circle whose center is 2, 5 and the radius is 6? We know the center is outside the origin, so you have to apply this formula. Equation of the circle will be x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 5, this is the y minus 5 whole square equal radius square. So now successively do calculation, you will get the equation of the circle. So dear students, if I give another example here, like the center is at this point, I think this is the point, the center where abscissa is minus 1 and ordinate is sorry. Let me be another example. This is the circle, and here origin is at this is minus 2 and this one is 1. And radius of the circle, if we think here 3 unit, radius is always positive. So now x minus h whole square, this one will be now x minus h. H means minus 2. X minus h whole square, the value of abscissa, and plus y minus k. So y minus k is 1. Y minus k whole square equal radius square. Radius is 3 square. Now doing the calculation here, you will get, I think last line is okay. Yes. So this one will be now x minus plus 2 whole square, that is x square plus 4x plus 4. And here you will get y square minus twice y and plus 1 equal 9. Now finally, or we can write here x square plus y square, this one will be x square plus y square plus 4x minus twice y plus 4x minus twice y, and this is the 4 plus 1, 5, and 5 minus 9, there will be minus 4 equals 0. So now this one will be the equation of the circle whose center is at minus 2 and 1 and radius is 3. This is the equation of the circle. So my dear students, and we have done here two formula. The equation of a circle whose center is at origin and radius is a. And then we have done another formula, equation of a circle whose center is outside the origin and radius is a. So this by using these two formula, we have done here two maths. The one math is whose center is 2 and 5, radius is 6. Find the equation of the circle and this one. And if the center is in the second quadrant, that is the point is minus 2, 1, radius is 3, then what will be the equation of the circle? This is now after doing calculation, we got here x square plus y square plus 4x minus 2y minus 4 equals to 0. So my dear students, if you have any more question, please let me know. We are going to start at the next step. Please, any more question? My dear students, please, if you have any question, please let me know. I think no question. Okay, thank you. Now. Okay, we will discuss here the next question. I think dear students, any more question, please? You are giving your attendance. Okay, still now. Okay, now we are going to start here another step. So again you draw the figure here, like general equation of the circle. General equation of the circle. I think upper line is okay. General equation of the circle whose center is at HK and radius is R. X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal R square. Already we have done this maths. Like if we draw the equation here, the center is H and K, the C point, and the P is any point at circumference, and radius is R. This is X, this one is Y, this is 0. So now do calculation here. X square minus twice xh plus h square. From here a minus b whole square, that is y square minus 2yk plus k square equals to R square. So now x square plus y square here minus twice hx minus twice ky and plus h square plus k square minus R square equals 0. Now x square plus y square plus 2 minus hx plus minus and now plus 2 minus ky and plus sorry h square plus k square minus R square equals 0. Now, if we do calculation here, or x square plus y square plus 2, if consider here minus h equals z to gx plus 2fy plus 2fy plus h square plus k square minus r square equals to 0. So now here consider minus h equals z. Here minus h equals z or h equal minus g, and minus k equal f, and minus k equal f. So k will be minus f. So now if we write here, this one will be the equation x square plus, considering this one, h square plus k square considering h square plus k square minus r square equal to c. So let h square plus k square minus r square equals c. So what will be now new form? This is now x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus this one, considering this one as c, is the plus c equals to 0. This is another form of the equation of a circle. So dear students, in the content 4.1, 4.2, the maximum time you have to apply this formula, where g equal minus h and f equal minus k, and c equal h square plus k square minus r square equals c. So now this is the general form of the equation of a circle. So what we see in the circle equation here, what is the characteristics of the circle? And if we see here, there is no terms of x, y. There is no terms of x, y. So in the equation you will not see here, there is no terms of x, y. What is the index of x and y? The index of x is 2, index of y is 2. So the second characteristic is index of x, y will be 2, or second degree equation of x and in y. And another characteristic is the coefficient of x square is invisible 1, coefficient of y square is 1. So x square, the coefficient of both x square and y square will be 1. There are three basic characteristics of a circle, and you have to write here. So dear students, if we write here three basic characteristics, the first one, I think the first characteristic is the characteristic 1. It is second degree equation. It is the second degree equation in xy plane, in x and y. The maximum power, this is the maximum power of the leading coefficient is 2. So this is the second degree equation. The next second characteristic is there is no terms of x, y. There is no term of x, y. The x, y is absent here. The number 3, the coefficient of x square and y square is same. The coefficient of x square and y square is same. This is the three most important characteristics of circle. So my dear students, there is a three most important characteristics of circle equation. In the maximum time, you have to identify the equation of a circle is or not. And just apply these three conditions. It is the second degree. That is the highest power is 2. That is the second degree. There is no terms of x, y. There is x square, y square, gx, fy, c. But there is no terms of x square, x and y. The coefficient of x square and y square is same. So here coefficient is -1. Here coefficient of y square is 1. So it may be 1. If x square the coefficient is 1, y square will be 1. If x square coefficient is -5, y square must be -5. Otherwise, this one will not be the equation of circle. I think, my dear students, this concept is clear to you. Please, any more question? If you have any more question in the characteristics of circle or the general form of the circle equation, please let me know. I will review your comments and then try to answer as far as you demand. Please let me know. Al-Rafi, Niloy, no questions, sir. Thank you. Dear students, please, this is the basic class on the circle. And please, if you have any question, please let me know. Naharin, Nahar Luna, you are giving now attendance. Thank you. Thank you so much, my dear students. দেখো আমাদের আমরা একটা ইকুয়েশন, আমি যদি একটা ইকুয়েশন লিখি, প্লিজ ওকে লেট মি নো। আমি এখন একটা ইকুয়েশন লিখব, প্লিজ আনসার মি, ইজ ইট ইকুয়েশন অফ সার্কেল অর নট? লাইক 5x square plus minus 5y square plus 3 times of x plus 2 times of y minus 5 equals 0. This one is it equation of circle? My dear student, is it equation of circle? এই যে দেখো 5x square minus 5y square plus 3x plus 3y minus 5 equal to 0. একটু please let me know in the comment section, is it equation of circle or not? এই যে ইকুয়েশনটি লেখা আছে, এটি কি সার্কেলের ইকুয়েশন নাকি সার্কেল না? Please let me know in the comment section. You can write. And if this is not equation of circle, and why? If this is equation of circle, and why you think this is the equation of circle? Please let me know. And Al-Rafi Niloy knows that this is equation, this is not the equation of circle. Why? Dear Al-Rafi Niloy, why you think this is not the equation of circle? Please write the reason. Niloy, কারণ coefficient equal না. Yes, thank you so much. Absolutely right answer. Here the second test, the third test. What we see here, the coefficient of x square and y square must be same. So here the coefficient of x square, the coefficient of x square equal 5. And the coefficient of y square equal -5. But in the third characteristic you see here, x square and y square must be same. So this is the both are not same. So this is not the equation of circle. Because the coefficient of x square, so now the first step, the second degree, definitely this is the second degree equation. There is no terms of x, y, this is also right. But the third condition, the coefficient of x square and y square is same. But here coefficient are not same. That's why this is not the equation of circle. The first characteristic is okay, second characteristic is okay, and third characteristic is not okay. That's why this is not the equation of circle. Okay, let me review another one. Okay, now we will do maths here, one maths. The question here, find the center and radius of the circle. Find the center and radius of the circle x square plus y square minus 6x minus 8y minus 75 equal 0. So, my dear students, you have to convert this equation into the standard form. I am writing here the standard form x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. And now first step, compare this equation with this one. And you have to convert this equation like this. Then identify what is the value of g, what is the value of f, and what is the value of c. So by finding this value, you can identify the center and radius. Please let me know. Dear students, okay, let me know. First we will convert this equation into this form, like x square or x square plus y square, and x square plus y square, this is the plus 2 and there will be minus 3 and this is now x. Minus plus minus 3 to just 6, and this one will be now 2 times minus 4 and this is y. Plus minus minus and this is now plus c. So we can write here minus 75. So what will be here? The center. Center is minus 3 and minus 4. And comparing with the standard form, you will get here minus c and minus c. Minus c equals to minus 75 and g equal minus 3. F equal minus 4. So, center of the equation and F equals to F. Center of the circle is minus G and minus F. So, here we can write here minus, if we consider here minus G and minus F. So what is the value of G here? So minus G and minus F, and here, so minus, there is also minus, so this one will be, so center is now 3 and 4. The two minus eliminate each other. Center is 3 and 4. And now what will be radius? My dear students, please, any question? And if you have any question, please let me know. radius equal root over g square plus f square minus c. G square plus f square minus c. So value of g is here minus g square plus f equal minus 4 square plus and minus c. So this is now minus c. So minus 75. Now doing the calculation you will get here, this is now, I think if we write here, (9 plus 16 plus 75) and finally this is now 100 equals to 10 unit. So the two steps, first of all the given equation you have to convert with standard form, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. This is the very easy technique. Just divide by minus 2, and if you divide this one by minus 2 you will get here 3. If you divide this one by minus 2 you will get here 4. So this is the short technique. Just divide the coefficient of x and coefficient of y by minus 2, then you will get the result, that is the center of the circle. Any equation, like if I give another equation like this one is x square plus y square minus 5x plus 6y minus 7 equals to 0. So what is the center of the equation? Just divide this one by minus 2. So if we divide this one by minus 2, this one will be minus 5 divided by minus 2, and there is now, this is now 5 by 2. And now again this one divide by minus 2. So 6 divided by minus 2, there will be minus 3. So now here center of the equation will be 5 by 2 comma minus 3. This is the short technique. Just divide the coefficient of x and y by minus 2 and you will get here directly center of the circle equation. So my dear students, I think this concept is clear to you. If you have any question, please let me know. আমাদের খুব বেশি সময় আমাদের হাতে নাই, আমরা খুব 2-1 মিনিট সময় নিব। আজকে যে টপিকস গুলো আমরা ডিসকাস করেছিলাম এগুলো সামারি আমরা কথা বলবো। Please, if you have any more question, please let me know. No question. Thank you, sir. Current coefficient equal na, no question. Thank you. তোমাদের আসলে উপরে ক্লাসে লাইভ গুলোতে পার্টিসিপেন্ট খুবই কম। এইটুকু ছিল আজকে আমাদের বেসিক ক্লাস। ইনশাআল্লাহ আগামী ক্লাস থেকে যদি ক্লাস থাকে আমরা সাকসেসিভলি আমাদের একাডেমি ম্যাথস গুলো করব এক্সারসাইজ 4.1 4.2 থেকে। আমাদের এই ছিল সার্কেলের ফর্মুলা। এই মাত্র দুটি ফর্মুলা ইউজ করে তুমি সার্কেলের সবগুলো ম্যাথ তোমাকে করতে হবে। মাত্র এই দুটি ফর্মুলা। তাহলে আজকে আমাদের কি কি কনসেপ্ট ছিল? আমাদের ফার্স্ট ছিল যে একটা সার্কেলের সেন্টার যদি অরিজিনের মধ্যে হয় লাইক 0 0 পয়েন্ট and the radius at any point in the circumference, then equation of the circle will be x square plus y square equal the radius, if radius is r, this one will be r square. So this is the first equation. And the another equation, if the like this one is the center is not at origin, any other point outside the origin, This is h and k. This is h and k, the point is C, and this is now P, X, Y. So there will be, if the radius is R or A, this one will be now X minus H square plus Y minus K square equal R square. And successively doing calculation from this equation, we can convert into x square, y square plus 2gx and plus 2fy, fy plus c equals to 0. So where g equal minus h and f equal minus k and h square plus k square minus r square equal c. And this is, so this is equation number 1, equation number 2 and equation number 3. And so just in the exercise 4.1 and 4.2, just you have to apply these 3 formulas successively. In the maximum time you have to apply this formula. This is one of the most common and usable formula in finding the solution of the circle related maths. So my dear students, if you have no more question, I am going to leave now. Please let me know if you have any more question. Okay, I think you have no questions. So dear students, and thank you so much. Hopefully see you again in the next classes and wish you all the best. Assalamualaikum warahmatullah.